Happy Merry Everything! GoNoodle! It's me, Matt Master from where? Definitely Dope. And I'm here to help you learn some of the warm, welcome, and friendly greetings you can give your family and friends this holiday season. So, there is so much to celebrate, which is why we say Happy Merry Everything at GoNoodle. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So the first one we're going to learn is what? Happy Thanksgiving. See how we do Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you got your turkey day on and I feel you. Alright, now our next one we have Happy Four Fingers Hanukkah. Perfect. Hanukkah. The Happy Hanukkah. What other holidays do we have? Happy, make a K. See how you put your thumb on the middle of your middle finger and turn it? 2 Ks, connect your middle fingers. Kwanzaa. The Happy Kwanzaa. Yes! Alright, what do we have next? Oh! How could we forget? Merry Christmas. See how you have the C? Christmas. Merry Christmas or Merry Christmas. Whichever one you like, both are correct. Oh, I can't believe it's during the New Year. We have Happy New, like your favorite bowl of cereal. New, you spoon it, boom. New, make 2 S's, put them on top of each other, and make 1 full orbit around. The Happy New Year. Yeah! 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays from GoNoodle. Have fun.